Hey there, welcome back. So here is the program which we have coded in our last lecture. So we would be proceeding further and checking out couple of more interesting things. So first of all, let us get rid of this commented thing. Alright, so now this will give you a better visibility. So in our last video, we have created a switch case and the switch was based on this variable x, and x is a int entity, right? So moving forward, we will also check that apart from int, what are the entity which we can use in a switch. So we will get rid of this int x and we will make this as a float entity. So as soon as I do this, there is some kind of issue showing up. Let me fix the notations as well. So let me make this as 1.0 f. So this would be better. All right. So even though when the value of x is also a float entity, so the notation or the initialization of the variable is perfectly all right. Even then, the switch case is complaining, and if we hover upon this variable, it will give us a very descriptive and straight to the point comment. And the comment is cannot switch on a value of type float. Only convertible int values, strings or enum variables are permitted. So the point is pretty clear. We won't be able to make use of a float entity. We can make use of int, enum, string or char entity. Char is not shown in here. In fact, string is sequence of character. Even character is permitted. Alright, so let us check these variations and let us make use of string conditions and char condition. Definitely enum is something that we haven't checked till yet, and enum is similar to a variable, a user defined variable, and we will discuss about enum in our forthcoming videos. Alright, so let us undo the changes real quick. Alright, so moving forward, first of all, we will convert this int to a char. Now, as soon as we do this char implementation, we need to do something else. As if now we are not getting any error in here. Let me show. And things are working properly. I can do this like this. This is working perfectly. But the way of using char is not like this. A character value can contain any character, right? So in here, I can make use of any character. For example, char q. All right, so now the default case would be executed, right? So let us create a better and a sophisticated program that will give you a better understanding. So we will create a case on x, and the cases would be case A, case B, case C, and that's it. So this looks to be good enough, and we will also change the messages a little. Alright, so this is good now. Now the case A will get executed, right? Now if we change the value of A to maybe C, then the case C will get executed. So this is good enough. Now moving forward, for example, I make use of capital case B, then what would be the case? Again, the default case is getting executed because characters and strings are case sensitive, and the Unicode of capital B and small case b are different. So definitely small case b and lowercase b are totally different characters. Now how to fix this? Can we generate the generic case which can check out capital case A and small case a? Is it possible? Let us try to do that. Can I add a comma in here and add a capital case A? No, there is a issue. Can we give a space and do that? Is it possible? No, there is no possibility for it, right? So how to achieve this particular scenario? First solution is we can create multiple cases like this. All right, and second would be capital case A. So this looks to be good enough, right? And in here we can also do one more thing, which is getting rid of this particular statement. Now how this will interpret, let me show you. So in here, as the case with a smaller case a doesn't have any break, so if the user enters small case a or capital case A, this particular statement will get executed. Let me show you. So small case a, the output would be the value of x is a. Likewise, the value of x is capital case A, again the same output would be displayed. Alright, so let us also do the similar changes for case B and C, and here are the changes. Alright, let us also update the values, character values. Alright, so now we have the valid cases for small case ABC and capital case ABC. Let me also execute and show you everything is working properly. Let us quickly check the case for capital C, whether it is working or not. So everything is working properly, and I suppose the concept is clear in your mind. Now friends, we can also create cases based on string, and that is something which we will check in next video.